How is it going, everybody? This is Prodigious Mind. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up BurpSuite with TOR. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe it. So without any further ado, let's get started. BurpSuite comes pre-installed in Kali Linux or other Linux distros, but if you don't have it installed in your machine, then you can download it from its official website. The link to download is in the description box below. Now let's just update and upgrade our Linux machine using apt-get update apt-get upgrade. It will take few minutes, so I'm just going to fast forward it until it completes. So now we have successfully updated our system. Now just let's install TOR in our system. I have already installed TOR, but you can install it using this command. Once you installed it, open your browser and go to About Preferences. Type network and add localhost address and port 8080. By default, but proxy listen on port 8080. Once you are done, hit OK. Now if we try to access any website, we will get this error. And the reason for that is we have an imported BurpSuite certificate in our browser. So let's just download the certificate first by going http BurpSuite. Now you will see this interface. Now just click on CA certificate and download it in any directory you want. Now again go to About Preferences and type certificate. Click on View Certificate and now click on Import and import the certificate from the directory you downloaded it into. We are all set now. Let's just check by accessing some website. But still our BurpSuite is not configured with TOR. In order to do so, first start the TOR service by sudo service TOR start. And in BurpSuite tool, go to user options and add host and port. As I am doing this on my local machine, so my host address is my local host and the port number is 9050. If you get any error or encounter any trouble doing it, you can ask me in the comment box below. Now we have successfully configured TOR with BurpSuite. Now let's check it. As you can see, our IP address is changed now. That means BurpSuite and TOR is working fine. Thank you very much for watching this video. If it's been informative, hit like and share your thoughts in the comment box below.